Hello and welcome everybody to this course on Eastern meditation for power and peace. The word meditation and its practices are being highly popularized in the West. However, in order to understand meditation, we need to go to its essence. The root of the word meditation comes from to mediate or medium. One needs to understand that meditation is not the destination in itself, but a medium, a means, a bridge to whatever you're trying to achieve. And believe me, from meditation you can actually achieve anything, whether it be peace of mind, power, prosperity, abundance, love. Everything can be achieved from meditation. So the basic concept, the general idea of meditation is that it's not the destination, it's a bridge. There are different types of meditation being practiced in the world right now. There's Zen meditation for peace. There are tantric meditations for power. There are transcendental meditation techniques in order to go beyond the mind. There are mindfulness meditations in order to stay more aware, more present, more happy. However, the type of meditation that we are going to learn and the practices that we are going to perform is for peace and for power. And once you have both of these, you do not necessarily need anything in life. When you have peace of mind, a calmness in being, and you are on the driver's seat of your own life, what else could you possibly want? Before we dive into this structural course, let's just practice a fun meditation for today. Slowly close your eyes. Let your eyes droop down. Do not try to force them. And as they are closed, start focusing on your breath. In comes the cool breath, and out goes the warm. In comes the refreshing breath, and out goes the stale breath. Now, inhale and stop your breath inside. Hold your breath inside for 2 seconds. Hold, and breathe out. And once you let all the air out, hold your breath outside for 2 seconds. Hold. Alright, let's practice this for 10 rounds. Take your breath in, hold, breathe out, hold, 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 hold, breath in, hold, hold, breathe out, hold, hold, breath in for the last time, hold, hold, breathe out, hold, hold. Before you open your eyes, place a gentle smile on your lips and slowly let your eyes open. So that was one of the practices. Tell us how you felt about this practice. We will be covering more practices and more tantric Eastern meditation and breathing techniques in this course. This course will bring you more peace, more calmness, and more power. So make sure you join us in the next lesson.